I am Najaatu Muhammad, the founder and chairperson Board of Trustees for the Northern Star Youth Initiative. There is no retreat, no surrender, no apologies to you, Nuhu Ribadu. I'm speaking in response to the recent threats and intimidation by Nuhu Ribadu using his attack dogs and his lawyer Ahmed Raji and co. Regarding my statement that the then chairman of the EFCC had publicly accused the then governor of Lagos State, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, of being, and I quote, a corrupt government official who will not escape justice. While I acknowledge that Nuhu Ribadu might have forgotten or chosen to retract his comments from the past, I stand by my statement and do not believe an apology is warranted. Apology to whom exactly? To President Tinubu for the earlier comments made by his now National Security Advisor? Or apology to Nuhu Ribadu for his forgetfulness and master-serving mindset? I stand by my original statement and will not be retracting it. My words accurately reflect my views on the matter based on what is already in public domain. And I do not believe an apology or retraction is necessary. I will not compromise my position to appease Ribadu and his attack dogs. I will not retract my statement, nor will I apologize for speaking the truth as I see it. Nuhu Ribadu, you have issues. As you have threatened, please go straight to court, but nothing will silence me. You must understand that you cannot intimidate me. No one can intimidate me. I live for posterity, not for people like you. I have, over the past 48 hours, received multiple threats, calls informing me that you seek to send your attack dogs on me. It is so unfortunate that your attack dogs need to notify me before arresting me. If this is the new standard of operations of your attack dogs, Nigerians must stop wondering why known terrorists and bandits continue to evade arrest while truth sayers and patriots are being oppressed, detained, and threatened. Finally, I have just received reliable information that there is an existing attempt to subvert the judiciary for further intimidation, to force me into retracting my statement. Nuhu Ribadu, you have failed. You have failed the nation. You have failed your voice. You have failed yourself. I refuse to be intimidated. I will continue to tell the truth as I understand it. And let me tell you that no amount of intimidation, no prison on earth is Najaatu afraid of. The only prison that I fear of is the prison that we will all go into. That is our graves. But even that, I have no fear because I live in harmony with my Creator. So Nuhu Ribadu, do your worst. The worst is best for me. I stand by what I say. I'll continue to say it. I don't care what you think or what you do. I stand by what I say. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was Najaatu Muhammad, the founder, chairperson, Board of Trustees of the Northern Star Youth Initiative, asserting no retreat, no surrender in the ongoing face-off between this highly regarded human rights activist and the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, over the alleged comments that Nuhu Ribadu made when he was the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. You know that shortly after Nuhu Ribadu's lawyer wrote a letter to Najaatu Muhammad telling her to retract her statement and to apologize in 5 national newspapers to the statement that Nuhu Ribadu said that Tinubu is corrupt and that he will not escape justice. That was when Tinubu was governor. Nuhu Ribadu said he never said something like that, and he sent his lawyer, Ahmed Raji, senior advocate of Nigeria, to write Najaatu Muhammad. Najaatu Muhammad, within that same period, replied in an interview with a radio station. But this one is different, because you can see that this one, she took her time to speak to the nation. It was like a national broadcast, making her position very clear, in a very clear time, that there is no retreat, no surrender. And she laid much more expose on the state of things now. She said that she has received threats and intimidations over her statement on alleged corruption by Bola Ahmed Tinubu when he was governor. And it was clear that this woman is not ready to shift ground at all. And this doesn't look good for the government. Whatever was their intendment, instructing the lawyer to write that letter, that intendment has backfired. Because the whole world will be watching them now, what they will do going forward. Would they arrest her, as she alleged that she had already received information that they are coming after her, and they are going to intimidate her to surrender, to retract her statement, that they're going to lose the courts to coerce her to surrender. So even if people hear us tomorrow, the people of Nigeria were able to hear that she had retracted her statement in a court of law, they will assume that it was through intimidation. And this woman says she cannot be intimidated, and that no one can intimidate her, and that she is ready to stand for what she believes to be the truth. And it is unfortunate, and this whole situation is playing into her hands. I'm sure that the National Security Advisor and his lawyer, if they look at what people say about this issue, they will know that this is a PR disaster for the government. Because you have to choose your enemies carefully. You have to choose people you can intimidate carefully. Apparently, that was not done in the case of this woman. Like I did say, whatever Nuhu Ribadu said or didn't say about Tinubu when he was EFCC chairman, nobody would have been talking about it right now, if not that Nuhu Ribadu instructed his lawyer to write that letter. Because, as I keep saying, how many people saw the initial TikTok video that was done by Najaatu Muhammad? And that's the original TikTok video. She purposely made it to draw attention to what is happening to Usman Yusuf, former NHIS executive secretary, who was a known critic of the Tinubu administration, who many believe that he's been incarcerated today because of his criticism of the Tinubu administration. No matter how anybody looked at the allegation that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission have laid against him, many, if you go to social media and do a survey, comments of Nigerians, you will see that vast majority believe that it was because Usman Yusuf was critical of the government. That was why they resurrected an issue that allegedly happened when he was executive secretary. And now he's being remanded in prison. So she did that to draw attention to the state of the North too. How the North, what the Northern Nigerians are passing through under Tinubu administration. That they are getting the short hand of the stick, even though the North was likely responsible for Tinubu getting any votes for which he was declared the president of Nigeria in the controversial 2023 election that many international observers believe was neither free nor fair. But that being the case, that was what it was. So this woman is claiming that she's still under being threatened. So who are the people threatening her? That's what Nigerians will be asking. Who are the people threatening her? Of course, she did not elaborate. But she also used that to raise a number of questions. He said, those who you are sending to intimidate me, that they used to call me, that they used to call her to tell her that they are coming after her. And she now wonder, why do they have to do that? So he now took a dig on the National Security Advisor. Is that how the new modus operandi, that if you want to arrest somebody, you inform the person in advance? And now began to say that no wonder known bandits and terrorists leaders are escaping arrest, while patriots, truth-sayers like herself, are being hunted in detention. It's an unfortunate development, but the woman has made her stand clear. And that woman is ready for anything. This is a woman who has been into the struggle for a long time. Her antecedent in the struggle, which if you listen to what her husband passed through as a result of also being into the struggle for better Nigeria, you respect her a lot and know that she's not somebody that could be intimidated or be harassed. I think what the government, Nuhu Ribadu and co, the only thing that will douse this tension is that they should not do nothing further to this woman. They should allow her enjoy the expression of her freedom of speech in line with the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. If not, this woman is ready to say far more damaging things that will continue to haunt the administration, especially in a region like northern Nigeria that is already fed up with the Tinubu presidency. I don't know what you think about this. What do you think about Najaatu Muhammad's literally State of the Nation address to Nigerians on being intimidated by National Security Advisor Nuhu Ribadu? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.